Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have an exciting haul for you guys. It is featuring Rotita. You guys have seen that I've been working with Rotita for quite some time and I am in love with their swimsuits. You should know that by now because ever since like last summer, this is all I've been rocking is Rotita swimwear. And I swear their swimsuits were made for me. So I'm pretty sure you guys have seen because I've been posting YouTube shorts with them and their swimsuits are just beautiful. So I'm gonna have two back-to-back videos showing you a bunch of beautiful swimsuits. You guys, it will not miss. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok, KissedByKen1. And let's get right into the video. Okay, so for starters, you guys have seen this one on Instagram, and I swear the color orange has been like my top favorite, so, like lately, like besides blue, because blue will always be top. But orange has really been creeping up to be one of my favorite colors, and it just goes so well with my skin tone. But I love this one because it has the ruffles on the top. It feels very flirty. For me, I like to change the top from either being right on the shoulders or on the arms, and I love that the bottom has a pattern and these cute little buttons that add a lot of detail. Rotita is all about the details, baby. So get into this because this one's super cute and orange is like my summer color for sure. I've never seen anything like this for a swimsuit. At least I don't think I have. Like, I love that this has this mesh material. I don't think I've ever seen a swimsuit with a mesh material, and I love how sporty this looks. I would actually wear this top like within just a regular outfit. I really love how cute this is, and I love the OMG details, and of course the bottoms are really cute. I just love how sporty this looks, and this is definitely my vibe. I cannot wait to wear this to the beach or the pool or something else. This button-up cover up. I love how classic this looks. I love baby blue. First of all, I love all shades of blue, but this baby blue definitely adds, like, it just screams beach vibes to me. And I love how it seems like the classic white button-up tee is really like sexy. So I want to pair this with like a really nice swimsuit, but I love how lightweight this cover up is because some cover ups are just too like hot. So I love how thin and beautiful this one is. So this next one I really love, actually more than I thought I was gonna love. Like, the white and black detail just caught my attention. I love that the underwear has like the minor white details and just like the outline, and then I love how beautiful this top is. This particular style from Rotita with having the strings on the top and then the sides with ruffles like the arms is really cute. It just reminds me of like those big beautiful summer dresses. I just love like the contrast of the white and the black. It's really simple but detailed. See what I mean with Rotita? Very detailed. This next one screams summer because sunflowers and summer just like go together. The yellow, the brightness. I love this swimsuit dress. I was never really into swimsuit dresses, but I really love how flowy this one is, and I cannot wait to wear this one actually. I love the detail of it, the top, the bottom. It's all so cute, and the sunflowers just add such a beautiful detail, so I love this one. This next one I really love. I actually got two of these, which you will see in the video. This Mickey Mouse kind of bathing suit is really cute. The polka dot bottom, and then the top, I just love, again, the ruffles make it super duper flirty, and the details of having the straps on the top and then the ruffles on the arms right below the shoulders is just so cute to me. And this one is just, I just love red on my skin tone as well, and I am so excited for this one. Love. Speaking of red, for the last swimsuit that I'm going to feature in this video from Rotita is this red burgundy caged sexy bathing suit. And this one, I love how strong the cups are because it does definitely add like that extra support. And I love the cage detail with it right around the neck. I love this one. And then the underwear, I love how it has this like extra strap for you to just play around with it. You can either put it up a little bit higher, lower, whatever you want. And also, I don't know if I mentioned this, but Rotita's underwear, like for their swimsuits, are absolutely beautiful. I mean, they are super duper stretchy. Like, I don't ever really have a problem. I don't ever have a problem with any of their bottoms. Their bottoms are perfection. So that's what I'm saying, like, these swimsuits were absolutely made for me. Last but not least, I have this cover up that I love so much. It's a regular like white tee, but it is distressed. Like, seems so just like oh, I'm just throwing this on, but it looks super duper cute. You know what I mean? Like the open shoulders, the ruffles, the little fringe at the bottom is just like perfect. And then it says take me to the beach. Like, isn't this just perfect? Like this to just throw on top of any swimsuit. Perfect, versatile, and just cute. So that is it for my swimsuit haul featuring Rotita. I'll be back for the next one because the next one is also featuring really cute swimsuits and cover-ups. So I hope you guys enjoyed these swimsuits. I know I did. I am gonna style some of these for my Instagram, so be on the lookout because these are super duper cute and I cannot wait for summer. Like, it's creeping up on us and these swimsuits are ready to be worn. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Also follow me on TikTok, KissedByKen1, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!